Welcome. If you're looking to update your WhatsApp channel name, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to edit your channel name on WhatsApp, making sure your channel always reflects your brand or community perfectly. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're running the latest version so you have access to all the newest features. Once you're in, head over to the Updates tab. This is where you'll find all your channels and recent updates. Look for your channel under the Channels section and tap on it to open. At the top right corner of your channel page, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. This opens a menu with more options. From here, select Channel Information. This is the page where you can manage all the details about your channel, including its name, description, and icon. Now, once again, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the Channel Info page and tap them. You'll see the option to edit your channel. Tap on Edit. You'll now see a field labeled Channel Name. Tap on this field and enter your new channel name. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled exactly how you want, as this is how your followers and potential new members will find you. Once you're happy with your new channel name, tap Save Changes. That's it. Your channel name is now updated. Anyone who visits your channel will see the new name right away, and your updates will appear under the new name in their feed. Remember, you can change your channel name as often as you like, so don't worry if you want to refresh your brand or try something new in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more up-to-date WhatsApp tips and tutorials. See you next time.